my dog.
Shoes
You got nothing either?
for the summer stock. Pigeon.
Either side of parents or divorce, as rightly noted, is wrong. I think what happens perhaps is through social change.
Nice wheelie.
We're not necessarily always thinking.
He says sanctions against Tehran will be brought in very shortly after the US pulled out of the international nuclear deal with the country last night. Two fairground workers have
Can't
been
be
found
asked to
guilty
wait,
of the death of a
so
7-year-old
zip
girl
round
on a
and...
bouncy castle. The Leveson inquiry into
on,
press
then.
conduct. The second stage of the inquiry, which had been
Bet you don't even
cancelled by
say
the
thank
government,
you.
would have looked into relations between
No.
media and police.
Not a clue, not a chance.
LBC weather, heavy
Got a bit bored, so we decided to come over this way, but I think the blockage is in lane 1. Dunno. Oh dear. Smiling away. They're broken down. It's broken down. You lazy git. Still want to wait in that traffic, did you? Lazy git. Oh, chop that cyclist up. Yeah, nice one. Yeah.
Feel intimidated, and I'm a person of reasonable firmness.
Me and Snoop, we dipping again. Kept my ear to the streets. Signed Eminem. Hayes, triple platinum.
The fuck's this person's problem in front? Oh, Audi girl's getting rossed.
Some form of chemical attack was mounted. Who are they? Well, it was the little one in the west.
Is that a sofa? Here he goes. What a prat. Ah, now you stuck down the learner. And now you stuck behind me again. Trying to zip ahead.
Check zone.
I don't actually know. It's run a red light. Wish I could do that.
And that was being serious.
Yeah, they haven't invaded, I suppose.
That's it, take your time, don't worry about it, pal. Pull your trousers up. Be a bloke. You hop on the roundabout. Whoops. Never ever ever cover a junction.
Pick up a Hoover or load a dishwasher or...
You see that?
Yeah.
I thought this was a 30 So nice undertake there, matey.
Entering average speed check zone.
Yeah, because you look like a bus, don't you? Oh, crikey. Huh.
Company, so all they would do is close that subsidiary down.
Oh yeah,
put it
with
into
the red lights, why
liquidation.
don't you?
At that point,
I was looking forward to talking to you, but I don't know whether you've not had enough sleep or you're excited about the royal wedding or whatever it might be, but you're talking utter tosh. Utter nonsense, Alex. Really. Handing money in brown envelopes to the age.
Chief Constable Mark Roberts, the head of football policing, to say that. He also says the flags are the trophy. Stephen, very good evening. What on earth has gone wrong here?
Oh, my heart sinks when I read about this sort of case. But one
Are you going or not? Are you overtaking or changing lanes? You sort of sat there.
Somebody's mounting the feeling.
I'm not. Okay. Interesting use of the road.
Building regulations and construction materials, but for the first 9 days, the focus of the inquiry is on the families.
Oh, when you can't be asked to wait in traffic.
Lost. The inquiry heard.
And imagine if, the CEO of RBS came in and said, "I'm actually not going to answer any questions about the losses this quarter. We're just going to."
Well, that's a very interesting use of part in an active bus lane, but whatever.
There, you see that is where. How do the betting companies police what goes on in their shops? How much training do the shop managers have in spotting this sort of thing? It's an alien world to me. I've never actually been in a betting shop because I sort of think I probably quite like it, which is.
My office? They're a mess. You need London storage vaults. They're so.
Yeah, you like a bus. Yeah. Parking the way of the bus.
Things you buy for your business could add up to something a bit more rewarding. With the American Express
Fucking hell,
you can earn
twat.
rewards points on your business spend. And
Oh, wonderful. You're in the wrong lane. So what's your plan here then? You're going to cut across this 500? I suppose I better let you in, eh? What are you trying to do? Trying to go around this 500? Trying to overtake out in the wrong lane? No, you just confuse the hell out of everyone, yeah? Sweet escort.
I think the whole railway system needs to be changed. I don't believe that it should be renationalised.
I think that door's held shut with a screwdriver. I think that door on that van's held shut with a screwdriver. Alright, very secure. That's it, block the junction. Okay, how many red light runners do you want?
striker continues. They'll be troubled by Dave Goff. This is ABC. Berkshire is a big step towards achieving that. In order to actually go ahead with this, 2/3 of shareholders need to approve. There's some scepticism, I think, given the level of debt involved.